Hey everyone, and welcome back to WheelWonderland. Today we're doing something a little different. Instead of unboxing, we're putting a true Hot Wheels legend on full display. Say hello to the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL in the iconic Blue Wonder transporter, a premium team. Transport set that's pure automotive history, captured in 1/64 scale. Let's talk about the cars while they spin. Mercedes-Benz is one of the most legendary names in the auto world. Creators of the very first car, pioneers in luxury and performance, and deeply rooted in motorsports. The 300 SL was their post-war masterpiece. Fast, elegant, and innovative, with its famous gull-wing doors and a body built for speed. It was the kind of car that redefined what a sports car could be in the 1950s. And then there's the Blue Wonder, a purpose-built race transporter, created to carry Mercedes race cars from track to track at speeds unheard of for trucks at the time. This thing could hit 140 km/h, no joke. In Hot Wheels form, it looks stunning. Deep blue paint, classic lines, and an unmistakable silhouette as you're watching this 360-degree view. Take in the detailing, the rubber tires, metal bodies, crisp paintwork, and the way the two vehicles look together, like a race team frozen in time. If you love showcases like this, be sure to subscribe to WheelWonderland. We post new hot Wheels content every day at 8 p.m. Central European time, and sometimes even twice a day. We've got unboxings, turntable views, wind tunnel tests, and deep dives into diecast legends. Drop us a comment. Do you own this set? And what other iconic team transport combos should we put on the turntable next? Thanks for watching. And now, sit back and enjoy the full 360-degree view of this legendary Hot Wheels duo.